the airport, we decided to look for a shuttle bus as we hadn't booked the hopper like we normally do. This worked out really well at €24. A cab from the airport was going to cost us between €50 and €60. We passed the sand dunes on the way, which is now a national park.
We're in. We are in Zen Station Player Park, is that right?
We're in Player Park Sensation.
There you go, Player Park Sensation. Yeah. In Fuerteventura, Corralejo. So, really good journey. So we can show you around the room briefly. What's behind there, Angela?
In here are massive wardrobes actually. Look at these.
Oh, wow. Could live in there.
Look at that. That's not bad for a week. It's got a safe.
Plenty of hangers, which is always quite nice. It's got about 6 hangers each. Got a safe.
Brilliant.
Bathroom behind this door here.
It's a lovely big room actually.
There we go. A shower, toilet, hairdryer.
Yeah, it's a nice
towels,
big bathroom.
Nice sink. Massive mirror. So very clean by the looks of things at the moment. So we have typically twin beds that are pushed together to make a double. So you have that little gap in the middle, but hey ho, you got robes and slippers, all spotlessly clean. Nice picture above the bed, a fan. Oh, interesting. Whether there's aircon, there must be aircon somewhere. We'd know. And you got a TV, telephone. There's a fridge. I don't know what's in the fridge.
Ooh, we've got a fridge.
Water in the fridge.
Oh, lovely.
And relaxing area there, chair. We're actually looking out onto a park and a skate ramp or skate park. Small balcony. Views here. And then you've got the water that way. That side of the hotel. And there you go. So quite happy with the room. It wasn't expensive this holiday actually. We are here for a week, 7 days, and it's all inclusive. We read the reviews and apparently it's awesome. So you get all your meals obviously, bars, loads of bars here, all your drinks and everything else, and that was £700 for 2 people. So it's quite reasonable. We have just had a chat and said, because we looked out the window and we said to the guy downstairs, can we possibly upgrade and have a pool room, because it absolutely looks awesome out by the pool, but they're full up. So yeah. I mean, they probably would be at that price because it's quite reasonable.
He did say there's changeover tomorrow.
There's changeover tomorrow, so we can ask him tomorrow. And he said that the upgrade's between about £15 and £20, for the better view room. Yeah. But we'll see. We
might not need it because we don't spend a lot of time in the room, but it was only in case we just wanted to sit on the balcony and stuff. So it might not be worth upgrading, to be honest, because you have to pay a little bit extra to upgrade for the pool view. So we're normally busy out and about, so might not end up doing that.
Sounds good. Right, we're going to go and get lunch.
Yeah, starving. So we thought we'd take you on a tour of the area outside where the pool is. located on the first floor. Reception is just below. We found that there's plenty of stairs and lifts for you to use to get about the hotel, as it was on all different levels. So it's evening time now, and we thought we'd show you the rest of it inside. So this is the next morning, and this is the buffet breakfast style. So we thought we'd show you at least one type of meal that they prepare here, as we didn't film lunch or dinner, but it's all basically the same. The food was really nice, lots of variety, and we really enjoyed the food.
Just thought I'd get some video of the breakfast in the hotel. It's coming to the end of the session, so it's a little bit sparse, but I wanted to video it then because there's less people there. There's people queuing up, and you can see the selection of food. It's amazing. I mean, there's everything in there, so you will not go hungry. They have different sessions, I think, is it 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, so you pick a session when you want to go and have your food. Plenty of tables. As soon as the table's finished with, someone leaves, they clean it, spotless, new cutlery, new people come in, so yeah, so far excellent.
Breakfast was lovely, big selection. I had fruit today with cheeses and meats and a bit of pastry. But yeah, you can have everything, can't you? There's like cooked breakfast, everything. It's just a really lovely selection. Yeah, don't know how we're going to fit in 3 meals per day, but it's a really lovely selection.
Today we are going to go for a walk. A couple of choices. There's fantastic sand dunes over there. You might see them on camera earlier on as we were coming in. Leads down to the beach, obviously. Or you can go inland, and there's a main high street with some shops. Angela said that's our apartment up there in the corner. So you've got a few apartments along here. They're the ones that look out onto the park, skate park there. And then the other rooms, which we will show you when we show you round by the pool, they're the posh rooms, obviously. Looking out onto the pool, the palm trees. You can upgrade. We haven't bothered really. We're going to be in and out all the time. We're not going to be in the room all the time. I think they want to charge about another €20 per night for one of the posh rooms.
And is that per person?
Might be per person.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
I think we read somewhere, we got a deal, but we read it was £111 per person per day on average to stay there. Well, you got quite a good package with that, didn't you?
Yeah. So £111 per person per day is obviously about £800 each, which is £1,600. We booked it for £700 for both of us, all inclusive. Yeah. Hence why they've probably put us in a
not
like,
so scenic
not
room.
so nice room. But do you know what? Pays
price.
for another holiday.
I know, for the price we pay, that's why we look for these bargain deals, because we would just rather spend it on just venturing and going somewhere else. So it's an individual choice. If you want to pay for that extra scenery, it's your choice.
Of course, there's no right and wrong.
Yeah.
We're going to save our 700 quid for Thailand. Ooh, coming up next. Not yet, you've got to wait a while.
We wanted to show you around Corralejo and filmed different things on different days. It was just to give you an idea what's on offer in Corralejo. It was a very laid back and chilled week for us, so it wasn't all on one day. So when did we come here? 3-4 years ago?
3-4 years ago.
This was bustling all the time. Everything was open. So we're unsure. That one's open by the looks of it.
Some are open.
Some are open. Yeah. This is Restaurant Corralejo. Look at that fresh fish in there.
walking park. People can bring their dogs over for a walk. Just come out of the hotel and thought we would have a discover. So we're heading down to the town tonight. I think we'll probably end up walking along the beach, so I'll show you the beach.
That smell, the smell of the sea.
Where are we?
Right, so we're in a little shopping centre right near our complex, our resort. It's the only little shop, it's really cute. Some of it looks like something out of a film set, which we'll show you in a minute. And yeah, there's a few little shops. It's a grey day today, it's warm, it's a bit cloudy and rain on and off. So we thought we'd go and discover today what's local.
Take the pain off the shopping. So, I think it might be a little bit dark. It's evening time now. Just out by the pool. We've had some dinner, and I thought I'd grab the camera, just do a quick summary of the week's events at Playa Park Sensation. So yeah, big hotel, big complex, hundreds of rooms. The way they run it is just absolutely amazing. Every single member of staff is fantastic, really, really friendly. The food's 4-star. It's more than edible, absolutely fantastic, really, really lovely choice. Just a great place.
This is our last morning. We're on our way home from Corralejo in Fuerteventura. Had a really lovely week. We didn't film loads. To be honest, there is a lot here to do for a week. I'll be honest, it was a massive recharge for us both. So we spent quite a lot of time resting up and catching up and building our energy back up, ready for the year ahead, haven't we?
Yes, nice rest. Plenty of sleeping and resting, and you know what it's like after the winter. Christmas is out of the way. Yeah, get January out of the way into February.
Yeah.
Bit of momentum.
Yeah, we've got quite a few things we want planned to do this year. And we really just needed a recharge. You know, just a lot going on in our personal life, like busy as you do. So we're on our way this morning. It's 7:30 in the morning, and we're waiting for we normally book the shuttle hopper bus to the airport. On average, I think on the way down, because we hadn't booked it, it cost us €24 for both of us. Now, how much did we pay going back?
About 12 or 15 between us. So anyway, it's a very cheap way to get from the airport to your accommodation, and then your accommodation back to the airport, obviously. Hopper is the one that we've always usually booked. We've actually booked Le Shuttle this time. Biggest tip is that when you book before you leave, say the UK or wherever you're leaving, 48 hours before, if you try to book after with less time, you are not going to book. So they won't let you take the booking. So we missed out on booking, come out of Ventura airport, went into Le Shuttle transport, and they managed to squeeze us in on a bus, which is brilliant. We was more or less straight on and away.
Even though it was cheap, they still charged us double.
It was €24 instead of about 15. So there's not a lot in it. But yeah, pre-book, and it is really as cheap as chips. The only downside sometimes we've had before, where you do get on it's like a coach, and then it does about 1 million stops before it drops you off. So it's toss a coin. It's a bit of a lottery as to whether you're gonna be dropped off first or last, or whether you could be on there ages. But it's good. It's a good service.
It's a
cheaper
brilliant
than
service.
a cab.
If you don't mind sitting on the bus, perhaps an extra 20 minutes to pick people up, then that's fine. The cab would have been about €60 from the airport, so that's the comparison. So on the way back, because we've pre-booked it, it's like €12, that's 6 each.
75% saving.
Yeah, it's huge saving. And the coaches in that are lovely. They're always air-conned and everything, aren't they? You've really
comfortable.
And they're very reliable. We've never had a problem with them. So yeah, we're just waiting for it now to pull up. So normally we probably would have left at 8 o'clock, and we're leaving at 20 to 8 or 25 to 8 instead. So that gives you the time frame. If you've got a cab, you'd need to leave at 8 o'clock. So you just got to allow an extra 20 minutes to half an hour.
Yeah, well, our flight's at 11, so 3 hours before.
Yeah, because it takes about 40 minutes to get to the airport from here. So that's your time. So anything else to add?
Not really, other than the shuttle again. If you're in a private cab, you're quite low down. So obviously, if you're going somewhere you've never been before, you get out of the airport and you're all excited. If you're on a coach, you're kind of up in the air as well. So sitting by the window, obviously, seeing the views, seeing all the stuff that you've never seen before initially. It's quite a good experience as well. We quite like the coach.
Yeah, we don't mind it at all. So it's fine. It doesn't bother us. So we're gonna go to the airport now, bottle of water in hand. Haven't had much breakfast this morning, banana and a yoghurt, but it'll suffice till we get to the airport.
I think I said on the camera yesterday, the staff are absolutely so helpful. Yeah. Every single one of the staff absolutely brilliant. Gino, the entertainment guy, he's really funny. He's been here for 9 years, is it?
Yeah, he's great. Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, really good.
Really makes everyone's holiday, and it's a one-man band, and he does really well, doesn't he?
Definitely.
So yeah, he's really good. We don't normally do all-inclusive. We might have said this before. For what we wanted on this holiday, it was perfect for us because we needed a rest. And I'll be honest with you, we do understand actually all-inclusive isn't for us because we love to adventure out. But under these circumstances, it was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, of course, yeah. To chill out and have all the food there ready for you, you can't grumble. It really does suit a lot of people, to be honest, you know. Some people don't like gallivanting about. They go on holiday, they want to sit by the pool, chill out, be served up and job done. But
we get that, we understand.
Personally, we just like to, I don't know, see different things every day, even if it is a different bar or a different restaurant or I don't know.
And a couple of times we ventured out, which we put a few little bits on this video that we ventured out, and you'll see like little bars or anything that we sat at, and that's more us really.
Yeah, it's good. Other than that, all the way over the island, we didn't bother to hire a car. There are a few things to do. There's a zoo, which is about 2 hours away from Corralejo. It's all the way down south. We didn't go to the zoo. Apparently it's fantastic, one of the best things to do on the island. You've got 2 cities, or 2 towns. You've got the new one and the old one. Again, yeah, they're okay, but nothing spectacular. So although it's nice and warm here, lovely island, everyone's friendly, there's obviously a beach, there's nice bars and food and stuff.
There's a natural park, quite a natural reserve quite close by, where they've got sand dunes and things like that. We've been there before, but it is worth a visit. And there's a beautiful beach not far from it, isn't there? So that's quite worth a visit.
You see the sand dunes, I videoed those on the way in. Yeah, all the way along the coast, so that goes all the way through. They're calling it a national park, it's obviously protected. Yeah, amazing little area actually. That's quite nice, very local to Corralejo.
Yeah, so we're going to sign off now. Not sure if we're doing it at the airport, but if not, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then you'll know when we're uploading. And see
big trips coming up.
Some big trips, so we'll see you on the next adventures.
Big year planned. Bye.
Bye. Right, so we're in Fuerteventura airport, and we decided, because we wanted to take our face masks off, we could sit outside. And there's a lovely little cafe area. I'll show you the inside.